गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. पुन्हा आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह या टॉपिक मधले ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह बघतोय. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह टॉपिक मधले सगळे फॉर्म्युले तुम्हाला नोन आहेत ऑलरेडी असं आपण सपोज करूयात. त्याच्यानंतर त्याच्यामध्ये असणारे वेगवेगळे टाइप्स, इम्प्लिसिट टाइप फंक्शन, देन फंक्शन रेज टू फंक्शन, देन ॲडिशन, सबट्रॅक्शन, मल्टिप्लिकेशन, कोशंट रूल ऑलरेडी तुम्हाला नोन आहे असं आपण सपोज करूयात. त्याच्यानंतर हायर ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह वगैरे सगळं नोन आहे आणि आपण त्याच्यानंतर ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह बघतोय. नाउ फर्स्ट, that is first example number 1, f of 1 is equal to 3, f dash 1 is equal to minus 1 by 3, g of 1 minus 4 and g dash of 1 minus 8 by 3. What is this? Value of the function at x equal to 1, derivative of the function at x equal to 1, g of 1, value of the function g at x equal to 1, g dash of 1, that is minus 8 by 3. त्याचा derivative with respect to x at x equal to 1 ला विचारला. Now derivative of this is square root, and square root चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपल्याला नोन आहे. स्क्वेअर रूट जस्ट 1 by 2 times square root, 2 times f of x bracket square plus g of x bracket square, root x derivative f dash 1 upon 2 times root x, and under root extra त्याचा multiplication, that is into d by dx of this f of x derivative. f of x square है 2 times f of x f dash x plus 2 times g of x into g dash of x. This is what derivative with respect to x. Square root 1 by 2 times square root and extra multiplication f of x square f dash x, 2 times f of x f dash x plus 2 times g of x g dash of x. At x equal to 1 ला विचारला. Just by putting x equal to 1 we get directly this 2 common and cancel, 2 common and cancel. काय टाकायचं, x equal to 1 टाकल्यानंतर न्यूमरेटरला काय राहील, f of 1 f dash 1, f of 1 f dash 1 यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन. I write directly numerator f of 1, that is here 3 f dash 1 minus 1 by 3 plus f of 1 f dash 1 minus 1 by 3, 3 into minus 1 by 3, then plus g of x d dash of x, that is minus 4 minus 8 by 3 divided by square root f of x square f of x square f of x at x equal to 1 la it is 3 square g of x g of 1 minus 4 square, total 3 cancel minus 1 plus 32 by 3 upon 3 square 9 16, that is 3 cross 2 minus 1 minus 3 plus 32 29 by 3 upon 9 6 25 square root of 5, that is 29 by 15, that is the final answer, 29 by 15, D option. Next example, y is equal to sec tan inverse x, then dy by dx at x equal to 1 is equal to, याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विचारलाय, dy by dx at x equal to 1. Now I write this tan inverse x means denominator 1, just 1. This is tan inverse function. I consider as a triangle, then tan inverse, tan साठी definition आपल्याला known आहे, opposite side upon adjacent. Suppose opposite, for this angle opposite as a x, adjacent as a 1, x by 1, this as a adjacent opposite, this is adjacent, this is opposite, x by x1, therefore hypotenuse is square root x square plus 1 by Pythagoras, x square plus 1 and that's a square root x square plus 1. Now I write this tan inverse in terms of sec inverse. For sec definition I write sec inverse as sec inverse. A definition is what? Sec inverse, that is opposite of cos, and cos definition adjacent upon hypotenuse reverse, hypotenuse upon adjacent, x square plus 1 by 1. This is sec inverse. Therefore instead of tan inverse x I write this sec inverse, then y is equal to sec inverse square root x square plus 1 divided by 1 neglected, then sec and sec inverse cancel, y is equal to square root x square plus 1. Its derivative is simple one, dy by dx is equal to upon 2 times square root x square plus 1, extra multiplication 2x, 2 gets cancelled, x upon square root x square plus 1, at x equal to 1, just put x equal to 1 in this, numerator 1, denominator 1 square 1 plus 1 2, 1 by root 2, that is 1 by root 2, it is C option, 1 by root 2. Next, if x raised to y is equal to y raised to x, then dy by dx equal to, this is function raised to function format, function raised to function आहे, आणि function raised to function format ला आपण काय करतोय, taking log on both sides, त्या मेथडने सोडवतोय, then dy by dx equal to, now we solve this by taking log, that is taking log on both sides, we get this log x raised to y, log y raised to x, log y raised to x, that is y log x, x log y. I write this as equation number 1. पुढे यूज करता येईल. Now differentiate this y as it is log x upon x plus log x as it is y dash or dy by dx log x into y dash. Here x 1 log y as it is, x as it is log y 1 by y into y dash, 1 by y into y dash. y dash चे दोन आहेत ते कलेक्ट करता येतील आपल्याला. These two are the y dashes, that is I write y by x minus log y is equal to this transfer, that is x by y minus log x into y dash, y dash. Now just simplification again, simplification, that is this I write this transfer or simplify, then y minus x log y upon x, this cross, here y again cross is equal to x minus y log x upon y into y dash, now just transfer y dash as it is, this transfer y by x, y minus x log y upon x minus y log x, this, now y log x, x log y, x log y बद्दल मी काय टाकणार, y log x, y by x, y minus for this x log y बद्दल y log x upon y log x बद्दल x log y, now y common, here x common, y square by x square चा एकच ऑप्शन, C ऑप्शन, याच्यातून y कॉमन येईल, न्यूमरेटर मधून y स्क्वेअर होणार, इकडून x कॉमन, आउटसाइड ला x स्क्वेअर होणार, दॅट इज y स्क्वेअर अपॉन x स्क्वेअर, एकच ऑप्शन, C ऑप्शन. Next example, y is equal to sin of 2 times sin inverse x, then dy by dx is equal to, now we put this sin inverse x equal to t, put sin inverse x equal to t, that is x equal to sin t, sin t, therefore sin inverse x equal to t, y becomes y is equal to sin 2t, sin 2 theta formula we know that 2 sin t cos t, that is I write cos t from this, cos t, that is 1 minus cos t is equal to 1 minus sin square, that is square root 1 minus x square cos t, therefore y is equal to 2 sin t cos t, sin t means x, 2x up into cos t square root 1 minus x square, this is what 2x square root 1 minus x square, काय विचारला, dy by dx विचारला, differentiate this with respect to x derivative 1, 2 square root 1 minus x square, x as it is, square root 1 by 2 times square root, 1 by 2 times square root 1 minus x square into extra minus 2x, that is 2 to cancel, Now simplification, this is cross, that is 2 times 1 minus x square, this is minus 2x square upon square root 1 minus x square. Therefore 2 minus 2x square minus 2x square upon square root 1 minus x square, that is a 2 minus 4x square upon square root, and just 2 out, 1 minus 2x square upon square root 1 minus x square. Check the options. 2 minus 4x square, yes, it is the A option. 2 minus 4x square divided by square root 1 minus x square. Next question. If y is function of x and log x plus y is equal to 2xy. Next question. Log x plus y is equal to 2xy, then the value of y dash, derivative विचारला, at x equal to 0. Now from this, when x equal to 0, याच्यामध्ये टाकलं x equal to 0 काय मिळेल आपल्याला, implies log y x equal to 0 हा निघून गेला, log y is equal to, याच्यामध्ये x equal to 0 टाकलं तर 0 मिळेल. Therefore y is equal to e raised to 0, it is 1. When x equal to 0 we get y is equal to 1. This is the given condition. Suppose when x equal to 0 corresponding y is 1. काय विचारला, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह y dash of 0 विचारला, its derivative at x equal to 0. So derivative आपल्याला काढता येईल. Differentiate this log 1 upon x plus y, 1 plus y dash, x derivative 1, y is y dash, RHS 2x derivative 1, y as it is, plus 2x as it is, y derivative y dash. Now just transfer this. 1 plus y dash is equal to 2y x plus y plus 2xy dash x plus y. Now put the values. काय विचारलं आपल्याला, y dash of 0 at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0 we get 1 plus y dash of 0 y, that is y is equal to 1 to 1 x 0 y 1, 2x x 0, this neglected, y dash of 0 into 0 plus 1, here 0, therefore this term neglected. 2 into 1 2, here 1, just y dash of 0, 1 plus y dash of 0 is equal to just 2, 1 transfer, y dash of 0 is equal to 2 minus 1, it is 1. D option. Next, if g is the inverse function of f and f dash x equal to 1 upon 1 plus x raised to 7, then the value of g dash of x is equal to, we know that always this f of f inverse is always original x. F into f inverse of x, this is composite, it is always x only. F into f inverse function. Now g is the inverse function of f, therefore f inverse is equal to g. Therefore I write f of g of x is equal to x. Now its derivative, that is I write f of g of x, it is composite x, its derivative is f dash of g of x into g dash of x is equal to 1. What is we want, g dash of x is equal to 1 upon f dash of g of x, and f dash x given, f dash here, put x equal to in this, x equal to g of x in this, that is 1 upon 1 plus g of x raised to 7, denominator again numerator, 1 plus g of x raised to 7, 1 plus g of x raised to 7, that is the option. Next example, y is equal to a cos log x and a d2y by dx square plus b dy by dx plus c is equal to 0. Then the values of a, b, c are respectively given. Y is equal to a cos, that is differentiate this, dy by dx is equal to what? dy by dx minus a cos derivative minus a sin log x into log x extra minus cos minus sign झाला, then log x extra 1 by x transfer x dy by dx is equal to minus a sin log x. One more differentiation, derivative again here, two functions x as it is d2y by dx square plus x derivative 1 it is dy by dx, then here minus a sin again cos log x into log x derivative 1 by x transfer it is x square d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx, x transfer झाला, this part as a again original y minus y transfer then plus y, then compare with this, a as a x square, b as a x and c as a y, x square x and y, b option. तो माइनस y ट्रांसफर होना प्लस y, therefore plus y. Next, y is equal to tan inverse a minus x upon a plus x, where this dy by dx equal to dash dash. Now this is symmetric factors, therefore I write y is equal to, or put directly symmetric factors, a plus a minus असेल तर cos मध्ये सबस्टिट्यूशन लागते आपल्याला, put x equal to a cos t, that is x by a is equal to cos t, x by is equal to cos t, implies t is equal to cos inverse x by a, then this becomes y is equal to tan inverse square root x equal to a cos t, a minus a cos t upon a plus a cos t, a common cancel, tan inverse square root 1 minus cos t upon 1 plus cos t, then tan inverse 1 minus cos t it is 2 sin square t by 2 upon 1 plus cos t 2 cos square t by 2, 2 cancel, sin inverse by cos inverse tan inverse t by 2 and square root cancel, therefore tan t by 2, tan inverse tan t by 2, and tan inverse tan cancel t by 2, but t is equal to what, this 1 by 2 cos inverse x by a. This is what again original y. Now its derivative dy by dx, cos inverse का derivative आपल्याला known है, cos inverse minus 1 upon square root 1 minus x square by a square into extra it is 1 by a. हाँ a square cross जाना, minus 1 by 2 1 upon square root a square minus x square, common denominator a square, but square root therefore numerator a into 1 by a cancel, minus 1 upon 2 square root a square minus x square, minus 1 upon 2 times square root a square minus x square, C option.